Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add backgrounds to your pictures on the Unfold application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the projects button down below, which is the second option, and select a picture. Tap on it, and down below you are going to see the background option, which is the third one, so tap on it. Here you have two sections, colors and textures. In the colors section you have other two subcategories such as solid and brand. In the solid section you have the chance to select from these listed colors, and if you click on the textures section you have 4 additional categories such as main, grain, paper and glitter. So click on the relevant one that you think would fit your picture the most. As you can see, most of them are logged, meaning that they are only available to premium users. So tap on the relevant one, and if you go back you're going to see how it looks like. So if you are satisfied with it, you can save the picture. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.